In this video, I will show you how you can promote Clickbank products on Twitter for free. Okay, so let's jump into the video. So the first thing you're going to need to do is sign up for an account on Clickbank. So go to clickbank.com and then click start here. Now I'm not going to run you through that in this video. Just know that once you've signed up, you can then go to the affiliate marketplace and you can then choose a product that you want to promote. Now because we're promoting on Twitter, ideally I would choose one product in either the e-business or the health and fitness niche, and I'll show you why in a second. So if you go to all here, you can see you've got e-business and e-marketing, and there's also health and fitness down here. Now these two niches convert the best on Clickbank, so I wouldn't worry about promoting any other niche. For the video, I'm going to go to health and fitness, I'm going to go to diets and weight loss, and we're going to promote here the 21-day rapid weight loss smoothie diet, which if someone was to buy, we will earn $28. So here is that landing page, and if you scroll down here, you can see it is only $37, which is important when you're choosing a product. I wouldn't choose one which gets people to part with hundreds of dollars, because they're not going to pay for a hundreds of dollars product after just coming from Twitter. So you need something that somebody can impulse buy, like this smoothie diet, which is only $37. With a 60-day money-back guarantee. So once you've found your product, you then need to go to the page, click on promote, and then enter in your nickname account, which might already be there for you. You can then click on create hop link, and then you'll get an encrypted hop link here, which is your link to Clickbank. This link will redirect to the smoothie diet page, and Clickbank will know when someone clicks on this link and makes a purchase, and they will then credit you $28. But what you need to do is copy that link, and then what I would do is go to a website called tinyurl.com, and here you can go ahead and paste in that long link. So here is your long Clickbank link. Now what you can do with this is you can make it a tiny URL, and this is going to make it a smaller URL. You can see it's now a tiny URL domain, and this link is a lot more clickable than a domain with random numbers and letters. So now we can copy this link. Now we need to head over to Twitter and get people from Twitter to go to our Clickbank product, so when they buy, we can earn commissions. Now, because this is a smoothie diet product, we're going to be trying to find people who are looking to lose weight on Twitter. So if you go to Twitter, there are a couple of ways that you can do this. The best way is to go to Twitter, go to the search bar, and you then need to search something relevant to losing weight. So I can search something like can't lose weight. So then this will bring up all of the tweets which have the words can't lose and weight in it. So this person's here saying I can't wait to lose weight. This person, I can't wait to lose weight. And these kind of aren't the exact people we're looking for. But this is exactly the kind of person we're looking for here. I feel like I can't lose weight, I feel so stuck. Now this is a person who needs a diet, who we can recommend this smoothie diet to. And this is going to be a targeted person who could buy. I could even search something like I need to lose weight. And you need to be creative with this. You just need to find keywords that people would be tweeting. And here you go, look, this is a better keyword. And this has only got 24 views. And then what you can do is you can go to these tweets and you can then reply to these and basically say something like this. So you want to reply saying something like, yeah, same here. I'm trying this smoothie diet now. Hopefully it works for me. And then you can go ahead and link your diet. Now you can also add images and GIFs here, so we could add a GIF of weight loss. So then we'll just add a funny GIF here. And then we can go ahead and reply to this tweet. So now we've got our reply with a GIF, with a link to the Clickbank page, and we're replying to someone who says that they need to lose weight. So this is the target, this is literally our target audience right here. You can do this and repeat this for all of these different keywords, and all of these different people who are saying, I need to lose weight. Now, if that person's tweet gets a lot of impressions, you can see 500 people have viewed this tweet, and some of them are going to click on it. And if you can get your reply to be at the top here, like this one, this person just said, and she's got 64 views. So if you reply to this, not only is the person that you send it to going to see it, people who are also following this person is also going to see your reply. So that's the power of Twitter and free traffic, and that's how you can send targeted traffic to your Clickbank products.